This video shows you how to organize files that have been shared with you in Google Drive. So you may get a notice that somebody has shared a Google document with you or some document in Google Drive. If they've shared it with the Gmail address associated with your Google account, that file will show up in the Shared With Me area of your Google Drive. Just go to drive.google.com, log into your Google account if you're not already there, and then click Shared With Me. Your Shared With Me area can get busy with lots of different files that people have shared with you over time. You can sort these columns in order. You can sort them in order by name, which would be good if you know the name of the document that was shared with you. Or you can sort by share date, which will show you the most recent files at the top. By clicking on these headings, it will let you change what your choices are, and the arrows will each use the direction. So it will reverse sort order. So in this case, if I'm reversing the share date, it shows me the oldest shares first. But most of the time, you want the most recent shares at the top. So here is a document, some meeting notes that have been shared with me. And I can always access it here in the Shared With Me folder, but I might want to organize this in my own drive so that I can find it in the area that's most logical for me. So in this case, this document was from a conference I went to with the IDEAL Consortium, which is part of my job as technology mentor. So I want to put it with those documents. So you can right-click on this document to get a menu of choices. And I'm going to add a shortcut to this document to my drive. So it'll still be owned by the IDEAL Consortium, but I can have a shortcut to it in my organization scheme. So I'll click Add Shortcut to Drive, and then I can navigate through my drive and the folders that I have there to put it in a place that's logical and make it easier for me to find it. So I'll click the arrow to go to my drive. I'll see the folders here, and here's my New Hampshire Tech Mentor folder. So I'll choose that. And perhaps I want to add a new folder for the IDEAL Consortium conference that I went to. So I'll click New Folder, and I'll label it. And click the check mark. So now that's the folder that I'm in, the IDEAL Consortium conference folder, and I will add a shortcut to the shared file there. So that shortcut has been added. So now, instead of having to find this file in Shared With Me, I can just find it with my other files related to that. So I can go to my drive, I can go to my Tech Mentor folder, and inside there is a folder for the IDEAL Consortium conference, and you'll see the shortcut to that file. Then all I have to do is double click on it, and it will open that file, and I will see the information that I need. If I've been given edit privileges, I can edit it, or it may just be that the owner has given me view-only privileges and I can just look at it. So that's how you can organize Google Drive or Google documents that have been shared with you in your Google account. Again, you find it in Shared With Me, but you can right-click on it and add a shortcut to your drive, and that way you'll be able to find it in your documents in the logical folder.